Menteri Sarkar Ubadai Ru MLA ke UDP Nakri Riyad Uba Kyrmen Shylla hakasni balang ulaong ba ukwa ikipat ba ke rilum Jaintia bakin shim ya karai la ka jing terwa banwan ra ya ke projek lintirel kan ajing mentoy ni amyaki. Hangai shimet ngakwa bakipat ba ke rilum Jaintia kin shim ya karai halor kamat kabayade bat lintirel ong Menteri habakren sekilat pathai kubor. Ulaban juru halor ke jingdon kam ya ka sarkar jela bakan penlong ya ka public hearing ne ke jing pen snow pat ba khnang ban ai rinsan ki pat ba bakin yo ban pen pau ya ke jing snow ba ki jing ajing mut halor ke jing terwa ban wan ra lentirel ha East Jaintia Hills district ni dei ban penlong ya ka public hearing bat ai baki pat ba kin shim ya karai halor ke ni kaman namar kamde ya uma Kyrmen ne ya nuru ban shimrai ai ki pat ba bakin rai la ka jingwan ra lentirel kan pen mentoy ni em yaki bat ya kathan ula benrap Menteri ula benrap ru da ka boong la da ki pat ba ki ong em ya ka lentirel kumtaru ha ka nehi ka sngi ni dei ban pen kut no sendon ya ka ni kaman henry la da ki pat ba ki ong hooi balai tang ka sarkar ka dei ban kirshan balai ki seng bhalang balai om baro ki nong shong shnong habakali uba Kyrmen Shylla ula ong Nilayo snowy kisur bapher kumju ye ki jingkan tho halor kani kaman henrei ubabun pai hi unjob hakabakun kumtangin i bet ha ka jingshim rajong pai ba ngadon ye ka jing snow balada ki pai ba ki kwa shisha ka dei banja lada ki pai ba ki persha balai bangin pentre kam yaka kani ka long namar ka ei ka bangile ka dei na ka bentau pai ba ni dei ki shakri pai ba bat kum ki shakri pai ba ka dei ka kamram ka jong ni ban penbiang ki jingdon kam jongki bat ngim dei ban ya ila ya kamon ka jongki ula ong
we'll leave it to the public. The public will decide. And I have a feelings if the public really want it, it should happen. If the publics are against, why would anything we do here, we are for the public. We are their servant. So as their servant, it is our duty to provide their need and necessity. So we should not go against their will and their request. So always should be with the public. Everyone will be benefit. Those who use it. Those who don't use it, for them it doesn't affect. Either it comes or it didn't, for them it doesn't. But who use it, they will know what will be the outcome. Of course, anything you use, there will be a benefit out of it. So train will be the same thing. It will be a benefit for those who utilize it and make use of it, and those who don't, of course, it's of no use. It's just like throwing a diamond in front of pigs. So whether if it is a diamond or so, they'll not know what is it. So the same thing. People knows very well what is a good trains and what is a passenger carrier trains. So it's just that I don't know where we went wrong, and then why the people are against and why they are in favor also. We don't know yet. But I believe one day we will have one platform, since now the government has taken this initiative, and let's give a chance to the public to decide. That's all we want. I myself, I want that. Not my government to decide, not anybody. Let the public decide on the platform, and then take that. What will be the benefits? What will be the the outcome of that railway if it comes? Then, if public say no, that day itself we should put a full stop. If the public say yes, I believe, why only government has to support? Why not the NGOs? Why not public? Why not different community? I feel we should have the sentiment of people. So I have said this, I have mentioned it from time to time. The public will decide. We are here as their servant. We have seen any company, whenever they come and set up their companies in any region, we used to have this public, public rally, hearing, public hearing. So why not this? This is for the public. Have a public hearing, and then let people decide. So we have heard the different voices and different ideas and different comment on it, but majority wins in the end.